welcome back to the next episode of Fireborn. I am in my base. I've been doing some off-camera mining, and therefore I've got a diamond chest plate, diamond pickaxe, diamond sword, and these 2 diamonds. I'm sorry I wasn't able to show them. Things have begun to escalate slightly on the server, so you may be able to tell. There are 2 mob grinders there belonging to Kit and Niblick. So yeah, I've been recording when I can, which is never so far. But yeah, and today I don't really have much of a plan except to continue my base. As you can see, I'm the only one on at the moment, which means I can't be drawn into anyone else's things. And right now, what I want to do is I want to make a portal. So let us get the obsidian. So time to get the obsidian I need. Now, while I continue that, it looks like I'm punching you. Oh yeah, I do have the invisible armor mod because of reasons. This would be a good time to tell you a bit more about my plans for this season. I have continued my plan of the ruins. I'm going to make an archaeologist's hut next to the ruins and then place an armor stand inside, so people can, oh wait, I already explained this in episode 1, I completely forgot. Yeah, this isn't a voiceover, as you may be able to tell, because my mic is working. Yippee! Yippee! So yeah, it does look like I'm punching in the face. Oops, I've still got hippos on. Subscribe to eCat. Subscribe to eCat. It's like, you haven't been subscribing to me. Good. Well, that was anticlimactic. Or maybe it was climactic, I don't know. I just need a few more bits of obsidian. It's quite a pain to mine because of reasons, called being the toughest block, one of the toughest blocks in the game. But yeah, I will make a thing around this structure to make it actually look nice. Probably do like maybe a stone thing. What? Anyway, one more bit of obsidian, and I am done. 10 bits. That's all. That's all you really need. Now I need to check my quantities of stone brick stuff. Perfect. Perfect. So this will be where I temporarily have my portal for now, over here. So boop, 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 boop. Boop, boopity boop, doop, doop. Oh, I'm gonna need some stairs for this. Boop, doop, doop. Finally, I have access to the nether, but I won't go yet because, this is all the armor I have. It's not very good, and it's not in best durabilities. Except for this one. Oh my god, that's a lot of durability. Naturally, steak doesn't have any durability, of course. Oh. And as the fireflies come out, ooh, nice wheat. Oh, gotta sleep, gotta sleep, gotta sleep. It feels weird to be the only person on this. Is the first time I've actually been the only person on. So I'll explain a bit more about my plans for the season as I go. Now, I'll be one of the people who stays kind of out of the kind of conflicts that are going on in the server right now. I have no desire to be a part of them. Yet. I have no desire to be a part of them yet. And some of them for reasons that I just don't know why anyone would do it. I'll place a few more blocks for this. I need it to properly look like a ruin. It needs to look like it's derelict and abandoned, and well, everyone watching this should know what a ruin should look like. So as I place blocks and break them, that slab's been quite annoying. Let me tell you of my plans. Oh, that looks nice. So just imagine that there's a land not too far away, containing all manner of magical creatures, and it's surrounded by a dense wall of fog. This land is called the Vale. It's an interesting name I made, which is why you can hear this is called the Vale. Of course, if I enable it, it does absolutely nothing because I have pillagers outside my front door. Okay, that's slightly unnerving. Do I have a shield? No, of course I don't, but I do have a crossbow. Oh, gods! Yeah, my base is no longer safe. My base is no longer safe. That actually scared me. Oh my god. Yeah, they're following. How long till they get out of aggro? When will they stop aggroing on me? Why is any of this happening? Oh, that's nice. I completely forgot. Oh, ominous spot. Oh, so it's changed. So you don't get bad omen when you get an ominous bottle. I'll keep that for when I decide to do some stuff with it. Where are the other two? Do they despawn when the captain dies? It seems so. Anyway, I'll put this banner here. Sleep. I have gathered pretty much all of the resources needed. Let me we're done. I do admit it lacks a few details, but I'll get onto that another time. This is just a good thing of what I could do. The time I have, on the time I had for that. I'm also going to do an armor stand now. I'm going to do a temporary block for the head. I mean, it does kind of look like. Oh, hold on, just have to do this. I mean, it does kind of look like. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna, for now, it's gonna be undetailed, and I'm just going to do this, and then I'm going to put some leather armor on to make it look like clothes. So that's all I'm willing to do for now. I'm going to hop onto a voice chat group with Epocta, who is on, as you can see. So now that we've done that, I mean, it's kind of hard to know what we should do next because, you know, I'm alone in the world. Oh my god, they've really gutted that place. I don't really have much to do with anyone because no one else is on. But yeah. So, not. Oh, hello, Epoch.
Hello, I'm back out this side of things now.
That's a very
I'm
dim.
out of my bat cave.
It's a very dim thing. Yeah, Epoch was just saying that he's now out of his bat cave and he is currently in the kitchen. Well, he's in the kitchen now. Yes, my dad plays Minecraft with me. It's not weird. At least I don't think it's weird. More firefly bushes. For some reason, my resource pack makes them grey, which is confusing, but oh well. At least I still get the fireflies. Now these two, I'm actually going to do a trick I learnt. If I bury them underground, then they still produce particles. I see we've got all the particles, and then if I sleep, we still have the particles, which is nice. Now I'm going to smelt up the glass. Ah yeah, of course, I don't have any more coal. I made all into torches. Well, time to go mining for coal. And yes, I will mine coal with a diamond pickaxe. It's just a thing I do. It looks so weird. It looks so weird with this. It's like I'm smacking you to death with a fish. Sorry. Just, I can't help laugh. It's a fish. And it looks mad. And I'm now on 9 levels, which is nice, I suppose. I actually want to see where my portal ended up. Yep, basalt deltas. Oh, but it's near a warp forest. Well, that's actually good. Actually, while we're on the subject of things, I've just realised kit's away. Now, anyone who... Now, I kind of hope that people don't tell him. But if anyone tells him, I really don't care. uh, why was it just crafting bowls? I really don't care if anyone tells him. Now, if any of you have watched... Now, I watch an SMP called Hermitcraft, which is what kind of inspired me to do this. But I'm gonna put a moustache on Kit's face, but it's not gonna be a mumbo moustache. Oh no, I'm gonna do a fancy French moustache. Because, he's not online, no one's online. And plus, I just want to, because, it's just funny. So yeah. Why did I just save a screenshot? I hope I have enough. It's looking like I do. So, without further ado, let's go. With a little guy with a massive moustache. So that was Fireborn 2, episode 2. It's episode 2 of Fireborn 2. That's gonna get confusing. Sorry, the footage cut out here. I obviously pressed stop recording without realizing it. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.